Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Life. Today I have a tutorial video for you. So there is a big problem with the power plugs. Like we import a lot of things from China, especially Chinese Xiaomi products. These are very good quality products from Xiaomi. And the problem is that when you have these imports from China, they come with the Chinese power plug. These are Chinese sockets, and Chinese power plugs looks like this. So the problem is that when you are using in your own country, for example in European or American or Indian sockets, these are very different. You need to use some sort of adapters to convert the power plugs to your own country's socket. So this is a very big problem because usually the Chinese sellers will provide you with these kind of adapter, and these kind of adapters are very dangerous. They are supposedly rated as 10 amperes, but they are not even 5 amperes. So these are very dangerous, and these doesn't have any grounding, and these are all fake grounding, as I have shown before in my other video. I'll show you now again. Let's check the live and neutral. So this is connected. Live and neutral are connected, but what about the grounding? They seem to provide some grounding here, but it's all faked. See, there is no connection in between the grounding and the actual ground connection here. So it's really dangerous, and these connections are very flimsy. They're not even really connected inside. They are just compressed together, and there is no actual connection. And these needs to be avoided at all costs. So in today's video, what I'll be trying to do is, how can you convert these kind of power plugs from the Chinese devices into your own country style plug. So this is much safer, and you should buy these kind of things locally, and they should be certified locally. And these are rated for 10 amperes, 16 amperes actually, so 16 ampere rating ones. And these power extension cords, these are the from Xiaomi, and these support up to 2500 watts and with 3 USB ports of 15 watts. So I'll unpack this and show you how to do this process. This is the power plug that I was talking about. This is a Chinese power plug, and it is 10 ampere, rated at 10 ampere, 250 volts. So these are very good quality power plugs from Xiaomi, but it'll not fit your country's power socket here. In that case, what you need to do is they'll be providing these kind of devices. You just plug it in, and these are very loose fit, so it'll definitely create a lot of heat. And as you see, these are very small compared to the European standard, so these are very loose fit as well. So this will create a lot of resistance, and when you're using a very high power device through this extension, then it will definitely melt down, and it may also burn down your house. So this is a very big problem currently, because of the power plug adapters provided are very low quality, and we should always avoid this kind of power plugs. So I'll show you how to convert this. This is a very easy process, and anyone can do it. You just need a screwdriver, a wire cutter, or a stripper, and that's it. You can just buy these locally. These are very cheap as well locally, and you can just buy a very good rated one with the grounding, proper grounding, and you can use these. Okay, now let's see how to convert these into our country's socket. In this video, I'll be using the European type of power plug as one example, but this is very similar to each and every country's conversion. So let's unpack this one. So this is the power plug, a European power plug. I need only one for now. So these are not very expensive and very cheap, and these are rated for 16 amperes. And as you compare, the plugs are very different. As you see, these are very hard, and these are very soft and smaller than actual European standard. And the contacts are brass contacts of the earth, and this doesn't even have earth connections. So you should be using this kind of locally made adapters. And you can just what you can do is just see the connections, unscrew your country's adapter, and just see what are there inside. So this is supposed to be the earth, and this is supposed to be the live, and this is supposed to be the neutral. So live and neutral, and these are the wire restraints. Let's see how to convert it. First, what we have to do is we have to cut this plug. These are very good quality power plugs, but we cannot use it, so it's of no use. So just use a wire cutter and cut it off, just like that. So once you cut it off, you need to strip it. So you have to strip the cover first. So while stripping, you should be very careful not to cut the inner wires, because stripping the cover is very difficult, and you have to be very careful to cut the right depth so that you don't cut the inner wires, the inner cover of the wires. And then once you have cut it, you need to strip it. So strip it like this. So these are the wires inside. This is the ground cable, this is the live, and this is the neutral. So this is the ground, brown is the live, and blue is the neutral. So you should take a note of that, and once you know that, you can fit this to any country's power plug. So we can confirm the connections by checking the continuity. So let's check the ground first. So this is the ground, and live check the brown is the live, and the neutral is the blue. Okay, others are not connected, so that is confirmed. So let's strip these wires. So you need to strip a little bit. Check your connections here. Yeah, you have to estimate how much you need to strip your wires based on your connections, the connectors in your country's power plug. These are around 1.5 square millimeters power cable, so let's use 1.6. So be careful to use the right gauge to strip them. So this is the correct one. We can now connect into your power socket here. Before doing that, I think we need to remove the cable restraint. Let's connect the ground first. Make sure the connections are proper. In my case, the ground connection is inside. So now we have a proper ground connection, and then we'll have live and neutral. Live is written here, L. This is the live. So let's connect the live now. Unscrew the connectors. Now the live is connected, and connect the neutral. Same thing, unscrew the connector. So now we have finished the connection. So once it is finished, we need to push it in here like this, so it'll fit perfectly. So in order to screw into plastic screw terminals, these are very soft, and in order to avoid creating further new threads inside the plastic screw terminals, you need to be very careful. And first, what you have to do is rotate it anti-clockwise when you feel some sort of click or something like that, and you can start screwing in the right direction. So now this is correctly fit. Once that is done, then we can put the cable restraints. While connecting the cable restraints, you should be careful. Originally it came like this, so but this is for a very large cable, because this is rated up to 16 amps, but this is only 10 amps cable of 1.5 millimeters square millimeters. You cannot put it like this, then it will be loose, so there is no point of putting a cable restraint. So in that case, you should be reversing it like this. So you should be using in this way, and then you can tighten up the screws to some extent. You don't have to over tighten the screws, because it will damage the cables. Make sure you tighten it to the right way so that you cannot pull it. Now this is quite tight, and you cannot pull the wire. That's it, and this is how you fit the wire restraints. now it will fit very nicely into your socket. So these are very nicely fit, unlike the previous one, which is just, there is no barely any connection between the socket and the plug. So it can fit very nicely like this. And once that is fit, we can turn it on and use this, the new extension. So these extensions come with the Chinese power socket, the 3-pin Chinese power socket, as well as the 2-pin, these kind of round plugs, as well as the American 2-pin plug. Good thing is that you can fit directly, so very nicely fit. In the case of the European plug like this, also fits very nicely, and this is not loose and all, this is very nicely fit, so it's very good. But the problem with these kind of connection is that there is no earth connection between the socket and the plug. So in order to avoid that, you need to buy this kind of Chinese to your country's adapter. In this case, the European adapter. I bought it locally, and these have earth connections, so you can plug it in and then you can plug this in. So now you can use earth connection as well if you need the earth connection. But if you don't need the earth connection in this case, then you can just use directly. So these are very nice. Main problem is in input. Once the input is fixed, converting from this kind to this kind is the best way. Instead of using a very dodgy adapter like this, you should be always converting using your local power plug. And that's what I wanted to show to you. That's it. And it's a very easy process and you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you next time.